District Magistrate North Goa declares part of Nerul village as micro containment zone and buffer zone after 23 cases found corona positive. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 12 July 2020, 85 new positive cases were reported in Goa. 59 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the state stands at 2,453. Active cases in the state stands at 952. Recovered cases in the state stands at 1,487. Total 14 deaths are reported till 12 July 2020. One female 80 years old from Chikalim and one male 49 years from Palolem, Kankona, both with comorbid condition who were admitted at dedicated COVID ESI hospital expired on 12 July 2020. Out of 5,008 samples tested, 2,328 are negative, 85 are positive, 2,595 reports awaited. At present, patients in isolation wards are 28. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 89. As per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 12 July 2020. Breakup of total 952 active positive cases are as follows. Travel by road, train, flight 123, Mangur Hill 76, link to Mangur Hill 294, Kurtorem 2, Margao 9, Kwapam 17, Lutolium 31, Indiranagar Chimbal 27, Navelim 6, Ganganagar Mapsa 7, Sakre 36, Kamrabad Tonka 6, Kankona 9, Fatodda 4, Kurka Shankarwadi 4, Raya 3, Kundaim 1, Verna 8, Motidongar 7, Ponda 40, Valpai 22, Marcel 5, Usgao 5, Bicholim 8, Shiroda 17, Pernam 11, Pilar 4, Goavela 6, Betki 42, Sangam 4, Kortalim 6, Kurchorem 2, Mandur 9, Pororim 5, Dharbandora 20, Kunkolim 12, Vadim Vasco 1, Kandolim 1, Kholim Mapsa 4, Karambolim 5, Parra Mapsa 1, Marsaim 3, Nerul 23, Penalim 2, Batim 3, Naura 7, isolated case in Nuam 1, isolated case in Agasaim 1, isolated case in Karanzalem 1, isolated case in Mardol 1, isolated case in Majodda 1, isolated case in Thivim 1, isolated case in Kujira Santa Cruz 1, isolated case in Betal Batim 1, isolated case in Bambolim 1, isolated case in Kolim 1, isolated case in Chinchanem 1, isolated case in Kumbarzua 1, isolated case in Kolwa 1, isolated case in Karaswada 1. Cases in major locations are as follows as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 12 July 2020. Sada 88, Paina 110, Kurtorem 32, New Wadam 83, Chimbal 63, Suwari Nagar 146, Mollam 22, Kharewada 52, Bali 38. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.